In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email flows with Klaviyov. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process for building a welcome series that greets new subscribers the right way and keeps your list organized. Start from your Klaviyov dashboard. This is your home base where you can access everything related to campaigns, audiences, and automations. We're going straight to automations because flows are the backbone of timely, relevant email. On the left sidebar, click Flows. The Flows area is where you design automated journeys triggered by customer actions, things like joining a list, making a purchase, or browsing a product. Think of it as a map that sends the right message at the right moment without manual effort. Choose Build Your Own. This puts you in control and opens the library of pre-built patterns you can adapt. It's helpful even if you're experienced because it sets up a solid structure you can refine. Select your preferred type of flow. You'll see categories for different goals: nurturing, conversions, post-purchase, and more. Each one offers a starting point with best practice timing and content blocks, so you're not starting from scratch. Once the options load, pick the Welcome Series template. A Welcome Series is ideal for new subscribers. It introduces your brand, sets expectations for future emails, and, if relevant, delivers an incentive or key resources. This is often the highest engagement flow you'll run, so it's worth getting right. Now customize the details: name, tags, and trigger. Use a clear naming convention that includes the goal and audience, so you can find it easily later. Add tags for organization. Things like lifecycle stage or campaign theme help with reporting and team workflows. For the trigger, choose the event that should start the flow, most commonly when someone joins a specific list. This ensures only the right people enter the sequence. When those fields look good, click Use Template. Klaviyov will generate a draft version of the flow with placeholder emails and suggested delays. This gives you a scaffold you can personalize to your brand and goals. Wait for the flow to fully load, then start customizing. Open each email card to edit subject lines and preview text so they're clear and benefit-led. Update the content with your branding, tone, and assets. Include essentials like a warm welcome, what subscribers can expect, and any promised offer. Adjust the timing between messages to match your cadence. Often a shorter delay upfront and longer spacing later works well. Use personalization where it adds value, like first name or dynamic recommendations. As you revise, save frequently and review the flow canvas to confirm the order and timing align with your strategy. That's it. You've built a welcome series in Klaviyov, set it up cleanly, and tailored it to your audience so it's ready for final review and launch.